Hello Virtuous family, welcome to Virtual Gist and Skills. My name is Nancy. In today's video, what we have for you is how to make amazing potato buns. These potato buns you are seeing tasted so great. It is just crunchy on the outside and very soft and tender in the inside. I was inspired to make these potato buns by Life with Rosie. After watching her method of making potato buns, I decided to give it a try. Honestly, my kids do not even allow the buns to come out from the oil before demanding for it. Please check her channel out, she is doing really great. I will drop her video link in my description box. So without further ado, let's dive into the recipe of today's video. The recipes we have for the amazing potato buns are set on the table as you can see. Please, for the measurement of all the recipes I'm going to call, hit the description box. I got here my all-purpose flour. I got here my butter. You can use margarine if you so wish. I got here my peeled Irish potato. I will measure it when the time comes. I got here my room temperature liquid milk and vanilla essence. Everything I'm going to use on this recipe are all room temperature. I got here my baking powder. I got here my cane sugar and a pinch of salt. For the sugar, you can use white sugar or any sugar of your choice. I got here my eggs. The only thing left on the table here is my vegetable oil for frying. When the time comes to show you that, you will see it, okay? So let's dive into the preparation. Next, I will dice my Irish peeled potatoes. Please dice into uniform pieces so that they will all cook at the same time. I'm done dicing. Can you see how uniform the pieces are? Yes, this is very important. After dicing the potato, I will transfer it inside my pot that has a cup of water inside it already. Then cover it and take it straight to the heat. Now the potato is on the heat and I will allow it to cook until it is very tender to mash easily. The potato has been cooking for about 10 minutes now. I will check if it is tender with a fork. Yeah, as you can see, it is very tender to go. I will remove it from the heat and drain out the water. Next, transfer the cooked potato inside a bowl and mash with a potato masher just as I am doing. You can also mash carefully with a food processor, fork or spatula. Please note, do not allow any kitchen stencil or accessory you do not have deprive you from making your pastries or baking. Use any equivalent available. I'm done doing this. I will set it aside to cool down completely while I move over to the next thing. This is the flour. I will add the dry recipes inside and I will start with baking powder. After which I will add a pinch of salt and cane sugar. You can use any sugar of your choice. Then I will whisk completely to make sure that the dry recipes are well mixed. If you are using a powdered flavor, please add it on this stage. Next, I will add the butter. You can use a margarine as I earlier said, and it will be under a room temperature. I'm already working the butter through the flour with my hands. You can use a pastry blender if you have one. This is good to go, guys. Next, I will add the mashed potato which I measured off the camera. Please get the measurement of all the recipes in the description box. Mix the potato and the flour a bit. Then add a cup of vanilla essence inside the liquid milk and mix. After which, I add the eggs and the liquid milk, of which the liquid flavoring is also in there. I will be adding it little by little until I get the best texture of dough needed. This is the best consistency needed for a buns dough, as you can see, not too thick or light. Next, cover the dough with a kitchen towel and allow it to relax for 10 minutes. While the dough is resting, I will preheat the vegetable oil for deep frying off the camera. This is 10 minutes at the dot. The dough has rested enough. I will start frying the buns. Now I will use a skewer to test if the oil is hot or not. Once there is a bubble coming out of the skewer, just as you are seeing, the oil is good to go. You can also use a little dough and throw inside the oil to check if it's hot or not. I'll be using a scooping spoon to measure the dough. You can use your ice cream scoop if you have one, or your hand as well. Please fry on a medium heat for the buns to cook both in and outside. If you fry on a high heat, the buns will cook on the surface and will not cook inside. While you fry on a low heat, the buns will suck oil, which is not nice. After scooping the dough, flip the buns on the other side to be sure it is well cooked on the both sides. Please fry until it is golden brown, so that when it is cold, the color will be nice and normal. If you allow it to be over brown on the heat, when it is cold, it will be a bit dark, okay? This is how I've been flipping it to avoid the buns burning. And it is light golden, as you can see. On this Junction Ventures family, the amazing potato buns is ready. Let's go to the table and do it some good. Wow, Ventures family, this is the amazing potato buns. Can you see how lovely it looks like? Let's check if the buns is really cooked inside. This is the buns. Let's open it. It is really cooked inside. Let's test and see how the test looks like. It is crunchy on the outside, soft and very tender inside. You can enjoy this snack with any soft drink of your choice. No be alcohol, sha. Hope you enjoy watching today's video. Please, if you do enjoy watching the video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel with a notification bell to be notified anytime we upload a new video. Share this video to families and friends and drop your comment. Try this recipe and give us your feedback in all our social media handles. This is all we have for you for today. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in our next video. Bye bye.